Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase the Goatcoin using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. It's actually very easy and simple to do. Now, if you guys do like cryptocurrency videos and you guys want to often know about the newest cryptos and how to purchase them right away, if you guys need help with that, I do have lots of videos coming out and already on my channel. So I really consider subscribing if you guys are into those kind of videos, as I show step by step how to do everything that you guys need to do to transfer money from your bank account all the way to having these cryptos stored on a secure wallet. So if you guys are into that stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing. I would appreciate it as well. Anyhow, with this video here, just follow along step by step. I'll show you guys exactly what to do to get the Goatcoin into your wallet and have it secured. So just follow along. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So you're going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or at an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network, and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have your BNB in your Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet, all you guys have to do is add in the Goatcoin at the top right of your screen. First off, you need to copy the contract ID. So I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description, and you guys can go ahead and copy that ID on there. So if you guys head over to the link, you will then be on CoinMarketCap. You just want to go to where it says contracts right here and click on that little copy button to copy the contract ID. Once you guys have copied the contract ID, you can head back over to Trust Wallet and go to the top right where the 2 lines and the 2 circles are. And you want to copy the address in the top here where it says search. And then it should tell you here Goatcoin. So you just go ahead and enable it and click on done. Once you guys have done that, you just have to make sure that you have a browser on the bottom of your app here. If you do not have the browser, I do have a link in the description for the next step for you guys to add the browser to your application. So I'll show you guys really quickly what that looks like. If you just head over to that link, it'll look like this, just to Trust Wallet's website. Now, if you scroll down, you just want to go to where it says step 1, open Safari browser. You want to go ahead and click on that link. Once that link is open, it'll open up this little pop-up here asking for you to open it in Trust Wallet. So just go ahead and click on open. And then it'll just add it to your Trust Wallet here. Very, very simple and easy to do. Anyhow, once you guys have done that, you can just go to the browser option here. And you want to head over to Pancakeswap. Once you're on Pancakeswap here, you want to go to the top of the screen where it says connect if you haven't connected your wallet already. So if you just click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, it will then add your wallet ID in the top here. You'll know it's worked well when your ID is up there and you see your balance in BNB on the exchange right here. Once you guys have done that, you just want to go over to select a currency and you want to paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap in here as well. And then you should say here Goatcoin or Goat. And you just want to click on add here and click on the coin. And once you got the coin added here, you guys can decide how much BNB that you want to transfer over into Goat. So you can just say if you want to put 0.1 BNB into Goat, it'll show you what you will get or any amount that you would like. Now, one thing I would recommend if it's not working for you, you guys can change the slippage tolerance as well. So as you see, my slippage tolerance here is 12. I do purchase a lot of things on here in 12. So you could try changing it around. And to do that, you just want to click on this little 3 lines right beside exchange. And then you could play around with the slippage tolerance if it's giving you any kind of errors when you're purchasing it. So anyways, once you guys are done changing your slippage tolerance and things like that, if you just click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me, it's then going to go through to the next page there. And it's basically just going to show you guys the conversion rate to the fees that you're going to pay for the transaction. So if you guys are okay with those fees and things like that, you want to click on confirm. And once you've done that, you can exit out of here and head over to your wallet. And then your Goatcoin should arrive here in about a minute or 2. It's usually how long it takes for me when I purchase items. But anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase the Goatcoin on Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.